Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, can you introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Jeanette Ledesma. I am 34 years old. I am married. I have 3 children, ages 3, 4, and 6. I graduated my college at St. Teresa's College, HRM, Hotel and Restaurant Management.
Graduated.
Graduated.
Graduated. All
2
right.
years course, sir.
All right. Do you have any working experience as a helper?
Yes, sir. I worked before in Hong Kong for only 1 year and 9 months, sir.
Why you just work there for 1 year and 9 months?
For good, sir.
Hmm?
For good.
For good. You came back here
Yes, I came back here in the Philippines.
to get married?
Yeah, I get married.
Oh, okay. And where's the house of your employer in Hong Kong?
That was in Kowloon, sir. Kowloon.
In Kowloon, in which area?
Beacon Hill.
Beacon Hill. And how many members in the house?
There are 4, sir. 2 adults and 2 children. The children ages 12 years old, and the other one is 18 years old, and the old one about 40 years old and above.
Okay. So, what Chinese food you can cook?
Actually, in Hong Kong, sir, my employer is the one who cook the food, so I just cook the food when they're out, when only the child is in the house. But if my employer is in the house, she's the one who cooks, sir.
Okay. So how about marketing? Who did the marketing?
She's the employer is also the
Okay.
one who markets her, and I don't do any marketing, sir.
Okay. You know how to do the marketing by yourself?
Yes, sir. I can list the things they needed. So if my future employer want me to do the marketing, so I can list the things that they needed, and I can go to the market, sir, to do the marketing.
Okay. So how do you know the fish is fresh?
If the fish is fresh, it is the ice is not red, sir, and it is still hard, the body of the fish.
Okay. What are the most important things to take care of the children?
Taking care of children is very important, sir, because you must take good care of the children, especially keep them away from danger, and love them, understand them, how naughty they are, and always check them if they have fever, and respect them also, sir, as children.
Okay. So if the child has a fever and your employer they are not at home, what will you do?
First, sir, I will inform my employer if she want to go home, to be the one to send his child to the hospital, or give me the instruction to be if she want me to send her or his child to the hospital, sir, the nearest hospital or clinic, sir.
Okay. So how can you make the child to love you?
First, you must love them also, sir,
Right.
so that they can love you, and then always attentive to them, what they needed, and then helpful to them, and don't teach them bad manners, and then always also play with them sometimes, and then cook food for them,
Okay.
what they wanted.
All right. How can you keep a good relationship with your employer?
Keeping good relationship to the employer, I must be respectful, obedient, and cooperative, and always do the work, all the work what the employer.
Okay. If the mother of your employee cannot speak English, how can you communicate with her?
Even we can communicate through sign language.
Okay,
or-
good. If there's a stranger ring the doorbell and ask you to open the door, what will you do?
No, I don't open the door, sir, unless my employer is not at home.
Right.
I can inform her if there's some stranger wants to come in. If
Okay. If your employer they are not at home, how you would handle the telephone call?
First, I will list the telephone number of the one who called. If they want to leave some message, sir, I take it down, sir. When my employers come back, then I'll inform them, sir.
Okay. Are you afraid of the dog and cats?
No, sir.
Okay. If your day off is not on Sunday, is it okay for you?
It's okay, sir.
Or your employer asks you don't take your day off and she will pay to you?
It's okay, sir.
It's also
Because
okay.
I experience also that, sir.
Okay. Good. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir.